Hello, what's up? This is Monica. I am from the UK. Good afternoon. Hey, my name is Rose. And I am from the USA. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI animation video using free method. So at first, I'm going to lexicon.com. It is absolutely free. So then type cartoon face. On the other hand, you create your own pic here, but if you create a generate, you don't you need to log in here. So I'm not doing it. I'm going here girl, type, then download. Then go to background remove because I'm using this photo for business type professional mode. So this one just need to download. Then I need another photo. I am using this one. Then go to dit.com. Dit is actually free video and photo animation creator. So let's go. Then add. Here is two different. So I upload three. First this one. Then type, hey, my name is Rose and I am from USA. And please subscribe the YouTube channel. That's it. So Jenny, here is a lots of female and male boys. I choose this one. Jenny assistant. Then generate. Then generate. I create more on just go to create new, then I will hello, this is Monica. I am from UK and good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's up? This is Monica. I'm from UK. Good afternoon. I hope everyone. Just this it. Then type of generate. Generate. Then type here download. It's easy work actually. And type download. Okay, thank you.